What's up everybody, Amauris Hernandez here. That's how you say my name, Amauris. So for this video, we're going to talk about a special tripod that I've been using for 2 years that ADORAMA sent to me. So let's check it out. If you're new here, I do behind the scenes of photography, cinematic stuff, and music. So welcome, subscribe, check out my other videos, check out my last videos, check out my coming up videos. So subscribe and post bell notification button and stay tuned for more. But let's get started with this. So real quick, I want to go do like a backstory behind this tripod that I'm gonna go over. I started my YouTube channel like about 3 years ago, and once I hit, I think around 100 subscribers or so, ADORAMA hit me up and asked me if I wanted to review a tripod, which at that stage on my channel I was just confused, like why I'm gonna get a tripod when I'm a photographer that hasn't demonstrated any type of use of tripod in the video. But now that I know the understanding of it, the game of YouTube when it comes to that. But yeah, this is my 2-year review of the 3-pod from ADORAMA. This is their specific tripod. All right, right from the top, it comes in a bag. Now you can strap it over, you know, like you have a gun type of thing, like a rifle, or handle. You just strap it, simple as that. All right, what's in the bag? This is pretty much what's in the bag. You got a gun grip handle, that's what they call it. And in the bag, let's go over that real quick. It's the straps to strap down the tripod, and there's a pocket right here for its, you know, for these things. I forgot what they call, but you know what I'm talking about. So that comes in handy when, after so much use that the legs, you know, they can loosen up. The nuts can loosen up just a tad. You just tighten them back up and you're set to go again. This has a gun grip handle, and it has where's it at? This mount. Manfrotto have their own. So this is a plus if you're a gimbal user or just have a set of mounts for your tripod, just to clamp it in right away, your camera, then you know what this is. So yeah, it comes with its own black that I don't know where it's at right now, but there's another one that I have. So it has the friction right here. You just well, I'm tightening it, my bad. You just tighten it to pretty much the friction of the handle, so how much you want. I just keep it all the way. The tighter the better, and I use the handle right here, the handle grip, to adjust it to the way that I want. It has a leveler right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. So you want to balance everything, that's a plus. It has another one on the legs. I definitely don't know if you'll be able to see it. Here we go, right there. That's another plus to balance both out, in case you're not gonna use the head, because it does come with different heads. The one that they sent me is with a pistol grip, which at first is just weird because I haven't had a tripod that can do all of this. Mine's just simple, like from Sony that you buy at Best Buy. But yeah, this has come very handy. The feel of it is carbon fiber. So here's something that I didn't do at the time, but I do now. If you take off the head, I'm not gonna do it because it's a pain in the ass to put back, but I'm gonna do it anyway. If you take off the head, it has a screw that you can just flip it over, and from a one quarter thread to a 3/4 thread. But I have a spigot for when I want to use off camera flash. I just put this on. Let me get a. So when I want to use off camera flash, you got the S bracket. So bam, now I got a light stand that's with support, which is a plus. So yeah, let me take that off. I just wanted to mention that real quick because that's a huge advantage for me as a photographer, mainly as a photographer first, and then a videographer second. So this tripod has 3 levels. stands tall about, I'm 5'7", so about 6 foot or so, which is perfect. Now if you're using this for photography, for travel, and you're having shooting with somebody higher than 6, then you just make it work to the way it needs. But this is a pretty tall tripod. Hello. Here's the height of it. Let me just bring it all the way up. So it's like about 6 foot or 5'11", around there. Let me just bring it down so I could just demonstrate one of my favorite things of this tripod. So there's a little knob right here. There's 2 knobs, one for the extension of the neck, which you want to call it. Right here's the knob. And this knob will bring your tripod to an overhead level. So if I want to come record some of the overhead that I've done, I think some of my videos, I can't remember. This is a plus, especially if you want to do, if you don't have a C-stand to do this for you, or some type of setup that can do that for you. It's a plus. So this is what I mentioned earlier. See right there, pull this little lever, and it's seated. So this is great for product photography. You're shooting a wedding, pretty much everything you need. This is a plus. So this tripod can open, you know, with the legs open all the way for landscape stuff. I'm not gonna go over that because that's not my area per se. I'm not a landscape photographer. But that is a plus to have as well. All you have to do is just pick up these levers on each side and then just go all the way. So you know that's a plus, especially for you landscape photographers that are watching this video. Something else that I want to mention that I skipped over without realizing it. You could adjust the neck, bring it down, you know, to extend it how you want. Because if you extend it all the way, it will tip. So just keep that in mind. You'll see in the links below that it'll show you the picture of this setup just like that. If you don't want to lower or open your legs all the way, you can just, with the same lever, to use it as an overhead, just bring it down and just shoot from front and just level the pistol grip to the view, shoot, and just flip the video in post or the photo in post. Well, yeah, and yeah, you get your results. So that's another plus to this. Everything's right there. Or if you need to get lower, that's a huge plus for you. What I usually do, that I've been doing lately when I shoot events, since I have this mount, I put it on the bottom of my gimbal, just set it up here. This is good for like ceremony stuff. When the officiant or the priest or the pastor, you know, you kiss the bride at the end of the ceremony, they walk down right before. You do it slightly with the gimbal, you know, have it ready, bam. Obviously I'm a walking gimbal, but you get the idea. So I think I just covered everything. It's just another gimbal, but the use of it, I pretty much thought I was not gonna use it at all, and I've been using it a lot for my videos on YouTube. I'm using another tripod at the moment for travel. This one I do not recommend for travel if you travel a lot, but if you need it as a workhorse, it's in the budget. It's only it's in the 100. Let me verify. So there's 2 versions for this one. There's an aluminum version. It's in carbon fiber. The aluminum is 150. No, 150 is there, and the carbon fiber is like $40 more or less. So it's right below on the $200. So yeah, if you're interested in a tripod like that, click on the description down below. It is an affiliate link. I do get a little kickback from ADORAMA, since that's what I'm doing it for. But yeah, it's not sponsored. Well, it never was sponsored for the beginning. They just sent it to me. They wanted me to review it. This is my 2-year review on this tripod, and I highly recommend it to have it in your arsenal, because it has saved me a lot. Let's just say that. As a person that highly does not depend on tripod, when it comes to photography, It has helped me for my headshots stuff, gigs, weddings, events. And you want to do time lapse, you want something steady, this is, I highly suggest this tripod. I highly suggest this one, the pistol grip. People that have used it, they really love it, and they ask me about it. I tell them where to get it from. ADORAMA is the only place that sells it. I believe Amazon sells it as well. If not, if they do, I'll put that link in the description. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If this tripod is for you, comment that below. Let me know what you think about it. And yeah, see you in the next one. Oh, before I leave, check out this video right there. Right there. I started I started a challenge video similar to Jessica Kobasi, but off camouflage edition. Definitely check that out. Part 2 is coming soon. So yeah, peace.